वालिदैन से गुजारिश है कि स्कूल के YouTube चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए। इसका फ़ायदा ये होगा कि बच्चों के लिए जब भी कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड की जाएगी तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाएगा और आपके एंड में आ जाएगा।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. I welcome grade 7 in my science class. It's your learning time. Let's start learning. Students, today we are going to study about the temperature scales. What we are going to study about? The temperature scales. Students, we measure temperature with different temperature scales. Beta, as you know, we use different types of thermometer to measure temperature of different things. Beta, whenever we want to measure the temperature, we use different type of thermometer to measure the different temperature of different things or objects. Okay? For example, you can see the types of thermometer which is used for different purpose. You can see oven, okay? You can see fridge. These have different type of thermometers which is used to measure the temperature. Second point is, so temperature of an object is measured in either Celsius or Fahrenheit scales. Beta, we have different type of thermometers, okay? Thermometers जो हैं always associated होते हैं either with the Celsius scale or with the Fahrenheit scales. For example, अगर आपको बुखार होता है तो डॉक्टर आपके टेम्परेचर को थर्मोमीटर के अंदर मेजर करते हैं and that thermometer is associated with the Fahrenheit scale. Okay? If we talk about weather, so weather is measured in Celsius scale. Okay? There is another scale that is called as Kelvin temperature scale, which is only used for scientific work. Okay, it means only scientists use that Kelvin scale. So there are three types of scales: Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Let's discuss about the Celsius scale in detail. This scale is indicated by degree Celsius or degree centigrade. Beta, this 0 indicates the degree and this C indicates the Celsius or centigrade. Okay, now you just see this image and this image is showing the lower fixed point is 0 degree and the upper fixed point is 100 degree. When the water boils and at 0 degree centigrade the water freezes. It means in your fridge there is 0 degree centigrade when the water freezes, and when you boil the water you give 100 degree Celsius temperature to the water when the water boils. Okay, the water boils at 100 degree centigrade. The difference between these 2 points is divided into 100 equal parts. You can see this scale beta. In this scale, the difference between 100 and 0 showing almost the 100 equal parts. Okay. Second scale is Fahrenheit scale. This scale is indicated by degree F. F indicates Fahrenheit and this 0 indicates the degree. So we call it degree Fahrenheit scale. Okay, beta, you can see the image here. The lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and the upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, if we will measure the water in Fahrenheit scale, so it will show 32 degree Fahrenheit its initial point when the water will freeze and 212 degree Fahrenheit when the water will boil. Okay, and the difference between these 2 points is divided into 180 equal parts. This small lines are indicating the 180 equal parts. Okay. Students, the third scale is Kelvin scale. It is mostly used by scientists in laboratories. It means scientists use this Kelvin scale for the scientific work. But this scale is represented by symbol K. Okay, but no degree sign is used, as in Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can see this scale showing the 0 Kelvin at its lower fixed point and 373 Kelvin at its upper fixed point. Okay, it means that whenever we will measure the water in Kelvin, it will show the lower fixed point 273 Kelvin and the upper fixed point 373 Kelvin approximately. Okay. So beta, it's time to assign home task. So question number 1 is, which scale is used for scientific work? Question number 2 is, name the 3 types of scales used to measure temperature. Question number 3 is, what is the lower fixed point and upper fixed point in Fahrenheit scale? Students, it's really important to attempt this home task. I'll be waiting for your response. Thank you so much.
वालिदैन से गुजारिश है कि दिया गया होमवर्क अपनी निगरानी में करवाएं और इसका टेस्ट खुद या ट्यूटर से करवा के इसकी पिक्चर लेकर स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर सेंड कीजिए ताकि टीचर बच्चे का होमवर्क चेक कर सके। व्हाट्सएप करने के लिए स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 032431000802। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।